Good morning, Benton family. Good to see you. Hope you've been enjoying the good weather. I wish the sunshine was back out today. Today I want to talk to you a little bit more about Benton Library's webpage. In order to go there, you go to neoshoschooldistrict.org. And once you get there, you come clear to the bottom here and you click on Elementary Schools. Once you click on Elementary Schools, then up at the top, we'll come across all the elementary schools. So you hover over Benton and scroll down to Library, click on it, and it takes you to My Library page. When the library page comes up, if you scroll down, you can go to Resources on the far left-hand side. I've taken a lot of you here before. On this Resources page, it has a lot of different things that you can use at home digitally. It has Abdu eBooks, and it has the username and password. Also, if you'll go back and look at my other videos, it tells you the new Abdu eBooks. It gives you all of them, not just the ones I bought. I'll put that in the notes as well. AR Bookfinder, so when you're working on your AR goal, you can check books at home and see if they are in your range and if they are actually testable. If you continue to go down and go to BrainPop Junior, this is something that is new. We used to have a subscription. Now we have a new subscription. So if you'll click on BrainPop Junior, the username is Benton Neo Show. So you'll come up here and it will say log in. I'm already logged in. Let's see if I can log out. There we go. So go to log in. When it comes up here in the middle, you'll type in Benton Neo Show and the password is POP1. Benton Neo Show POP1. And you can log in. There's lots of great videos on this site. They have health, they have science, they have social studies, they have writing and reading, they have math and art. There's also games you can play and quizzes you can take that makes your learning a little fun. It has a great video on how to wash your hands and how to get those germs off our hands too to keep us healthy. So I'm going to go back.
Movie of the week.
It also reads it to you. Another cool feature for those of you that read or like to listen to Spanish and can understand Spanish, if you go to the very bottom, right down in here, it says BrainPop Espanol. You click there and it turns the whole BrainPop website into a Spanish website. And then it will read to you in Spanish. You can understand it that way. It even has a place here where it will translate from Spanish to English. Now I'm going to go back to my resource page. And I want to show you what our lesson's going to be about today. We're going to go to, there's PebbleGo that I told you about the other day, and Benton in School is its username and password. Shelf Game is what we're going to work on today. When you go to any library, all the books are put on the shelf by the author's last name in alphabetical order. So in order to be able to find your author in your book quickly, you need to know alphabetical order. So today my challenge is to just take a piece of paper and write the alphabet on it. A, B, C, D, E, clear to Z, and then leave the line blank. And throughout the day, I want you to find things that go with each one of those letters. Like you could write A, apple, B, banana, C, cat. And I want you to go to this shelf game. To go to the shelf game, you just click on shelf game and you can learn how to play it here. If you want something to help you, you can click and it will show you the alphabet. Some kids like to see the alphabet across the top. So to start a new game, we're going to do fiction first and then Dewey, which is nonfiction. Start with level 1. So here are the books on the shelf. It says Fic, T-U-R, Fic, A-N-D, Fic, C-A-S. In our library, it would say F for fiction. So you need to place these in the correct order, left to right, in alphabetical order, by the author's last name. So we've got a T author, an A author, and a C author. So if you just grab the A author and slide him over, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Oh, I heard C. So click on the C author, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So then let's go ahead and check our shelf and see if we got it right. If you got it right, it'll wiggle and it'll tell you good job. Then it will give you another one. Now we have fiction with an A author, A-N-D, fiction with T-E-T, fiction with B-E-L. I'm not going to move these around at all. I'm going to just check my shelf so that you can see what it does. Notice it moved back and forth and it said I'm not in the correct order. Try again. So here's my A author, A, B, C. There's a B author. Got to click him over a little further. There we go. A, B, C, and then to T. Let's check our shelf again. Good job. Your books are in order. So I want you to try that today. Try all of the fiction books, all the levels, and try the Dewey books, all the levels. Let me show you what the Dewey one does. Let's X out here. When we put Dewey together, we go numbers first and then letters. So we go number order. So I've got 523.43, 398.2, and 818. 500, 300, 800. So let's grab the 300, 500, 800. That's in numerical order. If you have exactly the same number, 398.2, on two different spines, then I have to look at the author's initials of their name. If not, I can just use it numerically. Let me slide that guy back and check my shelf. I hope you enjoy working on alphabetical order today. I miss seeing you every day. I love you. Hope you have a great week. See you soon.